Okay, so let's do this second time around. All right, so here we have ship on the daily time frame. Okay, so basically, if you look on the line chart, it's basically doing, um, you know, lower lows and lower highs. Okay, this is looks like an overshoot, so it's like really trying to break up, and it came back down. Now it's established support here. So support basically means we have support. Support. Oh my God, that looks disgusting. We have support and resistance. Okay, that basically is support means like the floor. Okay, and resistance means ceiling. Okay, so do that right now. So right now we're just on the downward movement right now, but now we have a thing called consolidation, which basically means that price is stuck between two, like a box basically. What I like to do, I like to call these my little boxing chills. So basically you just box it out and you just chill and wait for something to happen like this. Okay, we're gonna dive this in a little bit. So here we have two resistances that have been broken, so we're going to chop down and we're going to try to just do this real quick. Okay, so now on the daily 4 hour, right, on the 4 hour we see that price has been just chilling, bouncing here, bouncing up these zones, boom 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 boom, it's just bouncing. So this right here basically is a break of this level here, but because it broke out, we're waiting now for it to actually give more of a buy and push. So typically what we want is for this high to be taken out. So typically we want to see like for price to hit like 23 or 22.5 around there, like, you know, come up to here, typically up to here, up to this next zone here where it says 24. So now we drop down to the 1 hour. 1 hour we have this support level here that's been respected. So this is the level where, like, if I go to the line chart, you see that it came down, boom, it came down, and now it's here and it's testing this. And the only reason that this is being held here is like, if I put like a zone here, right, boom, you can see like this here was tested, this here was tested, this. So previous time it was tested already, excuse me, several times before. So this is where we're going to do this. All right, so now that's the 1 hour, right? Going to drop down to the M15, which is where I saw this. So this here is just how it shot up. This is where it held, right? This is where it shot up, right? And then this is what we're looking for. Because if you draw this over here, you can see that this ends up painting a big picture right here. I mean, I'm going to draw a line afterwards. So it came down, tested that zone again, rejected, came back up, tested this high once, twice, and then it came back and rejected. So it ended up coming back down, testing this high again, came back, and now it's just playing around. So now that I did this, and then it shot right back up, breaking this high here, right? Just delete all this. It broke this high here, this resistance of 15 minutes. What we want to do, actually, this is actually 15-minute resistance because this is actually the same low. So what it did was it came back down. So typically, right, what we want is for price to do something like this and then come back up and then test this high, but normally break it. But this is what you want to look for. So even if you were to buy here at 16 cents, your target should be 19 cents around here. So once that does that, you're good. So even if you were to buy here, head it up. But honestly, the best safest place is to follow these wicks here and get in here, okay? So catch that again. Wait for price to come down here. Look for an entry there, right? Something like a bullish candle, something that does something like this, right? Where it did that little crap candles here, and then it did this big black one that right there. Take it up, and then your target is 19 cents, which is here. That's it. Once you look at that, everything is good. Then you're just looking for price to just do its thing. So like I said, if I was to mark this out, the zone out, right? You see that, and I'll just darken this color so you can see, right? As you can see, it got tested several times. It got tested several times here, several times here. It danced around here. It broke through and even had a hard time to reject off there, and then it ended up coming back down. So even here, rejected here as well. So come down, look for that zone, and then possibly hit the break and then head right back up. Now, in the sense that in the case this gets broken here, what you want to do is now see more opportunity for price to come back up high and test this high zone. If this zone gets broken and it goes even higher, chances are we can see that 24-cent mark and get hit. Until then, we're just waiting. So that's about it. But if you want to jump in early, this is a zone you want to look into. But my honest opinion would be wait for the, for the good level to reject, because this is high rejection levels, and there's a good chance that there might be another one before shooting up if it decides to shoot up. Now, in the worst case scenario, if it does come down and a candle does break these lows, it can have the potential to come all the way back down. This is a 1 hour zone, this is a 4 hour zone. So it can have the potential to come right back down to where these zones are, where it's 12 cents now, okay? So just keep that in mind, okay? After that, it's just about being chilling, that's it. M5, this is what I saw here. All right, so here, came down, went up, painted this high, came down, broke low, created a ceiling, came back down, and then it got blown off apart. Boom, now it's just sitting here. So now we want to wait for this to get tested again. So keep that in mind. What we have. This is where we want to see. So if this zone gets broken, look for that green zone, right? That green zone should be the beautiful area. So about 1563, all right, and into that zone. So after that, you're looking to buy it up. All right. After that, yeah, you're good. Yeah. And then that's it. Just wait it out. Like I said, target should be at 19. First target is 19. Second target is up here at 21. And then third is 24. That's it. So other than that, we are good to go. Yeah, boom, boom, boom. Yep. Yeah, we need 16 to break. Once 16 breaks, we can definitely see higher highs and higher lows being established on a higher time frame, or lower to higher time frame. So that's about it. Want to make that, and then yeah, that's about it. Enjoy. Deuces.